The iX was a major leap for BMW into the electric car era, and they've learned an awful lot. So, for this next model year, they have had a major refresh. I want to know what they've changed.
With Advanced Highway Assist, BMW brings semi-automated driving to a new level. This isn't your average cruise control. It's smart, adaptive, and yes, it even lets you change lanes with just a glance.
From parking itself via your smartphone to heating every surface that you can touch, BMW isn't holding back on luxury here.
Front seat heating, a heated steering wheel, a Harman Kardon sound system now comes standard.
This isn't just designed for style, it's designed for performance. BMW's enhanced suspension system improves handling while at the same time improving all the aspects of efficiency.
Thanks to reduced rolling resistance tyres and optimised wheel bearings, the iX sees a 10% bump in efficiency. The M Sport package adds red brake calipers, leather steering wheel and sporty pedals.
Now with BMW's Live Cockpit Professional, the driving experience is as high-tech as it is powerful.
The Live Cockpit Professional features a dynamic digital display and smooth integration with all the car's functions.
You know, BMW hasn't overlooked anything, right down to the hydraulic rear axle bearings, which gives you a much smoother ride.
Refined suspension and a lighter rear axle bearings brings you sharper handling and a plush ride, perfect for city streets or open highways. The iX Highway Assistant takes automation to the next level with Level 2 Plus functionality, allowing for semi-autonomous driving on highways and even hands-free lane changes.
Let's talk about parking. The iX will actually park itself with a little help from your smartphone.
With Parking Assistant Professional, you can guide the iX into parking spots remotely.
If you're looking for that open-air feeling, this iX has you covered there too.
The iX's soft closed doors make sure you'll never hear that annoying door slam again.
At BMW's largest factory in the world in South Carolina with the new iX, I'm Nick Miles.